Hello folks, this is Ayatan Ajha from InspiredRise.com, and today we have the Moto G second generation, the Moto G 2014 edition here with us for Marshmallow upgrade, and we are going to do the Marshmallow upgrade on this device, which is around 464 megabytes or so, and we will see if anything changes on this device after this or not. So guys, this is our Moto G second gen after doing the Marshmallow update, and few of the things feel a little bit more snappier than before. Battery life is certainly a little bit improved in terms of standby time. For example, we had the Wi-Fi on for the whole night and we just kept the phone as it is and display off and everything, and usually it would drain around 10 to 15% battery at the night if we had the Wi-Fi on and apps were auto updating in the background, but this time it was only around 5 to 6%. So the dose feature as advertised in Android Marshmallow indeed works. Overall user interface etc feels a little bit snappy than before, but if we keep in mind that has the UI changed, so the answer to that would be a no, because the UI on the Moto G second generation was already like this before also, and the Android security patch level is around 2016, so it is Marshmallow, and overall performance hasn't changed drastically. Let's just show you the benchmark test and also the innards of this device. So this device comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 chipset, and as is seen, the usage of CPU etc has been done nicely in the Marshmallow update, and it comes with 1 GB of RAM, and it comes with a 720p display, 5-inch display. And let's just move forward, and as is seen, API level is 23, Android version is 6.0, ART 2. Android runtime 2.1.0. So now let's just test this up, and we will run the Antutu benchmark and see how well does this smartphone perform now after all of these updates. So the device scored 22,696 on the Antutu benchmark after the update, nothing to boast about, and very low and even below the other phones. So actually this is an outdated device in many ways, but still it does perform okay enough for day-to-day tasks, and if you're just a normal smartphone user then you won't notice much of lags and everything, but still in case you had more RAM and more everything on this device, then it would have been better. It's good to know that Motorola hasn't given up on their previous smartphones and are still releasing updates for their smartphones which make them a little bit more easier to use and maybe a bit more robust. So guys, this was all for our Android Marshmallow update on the Moto G 2014, the Moto G second generation. In case you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Ayatan Ajha from InspiredRise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.